is what I'm supposed to be in 2020, getting big tings.
I want to believe in myself and make things happen for myself.
Yes, ma'am.
Be selfish.
I want greatness for 2020. To be great in every aspect of my life.
Help 1 million motherfucking creators do their best. 2020.
The good lives only, man. I just want everyone out there to live the life they want to live, man. Just do your thing, man. You'll get there.
More life, brother. More life, more blessings, more love, more family, brother. More memories, always.
Gotta stop that smoking, man. I gotta join the Air Force.
Everything, okay? Everything is mine. Literally everything. Everything I want in 2020 will be mine. 2019 is done.
Love myself more.
Self-growth, man.
I took a big challenge of getting a dog for myself, so I want to be the best dog that I can be, man.
2020 is all about making your dreams come true, you know what I'm saying?
I'm gonna get into a PhD program in California.
I want to love myself.
Happiness, less fear, that money, and a 4.0.
I'm trying to make it big in the music industry. You know, I already have a song out with my brother right here. And so we're gonna try to make it big.
Get a set here.
We're definitely gonna perform here.
Buy me a bigger house and level up, you know what I'm saying?
Success, that peaceful rage, that momentum that can't be stopped. I mean, like no other year.
I wanna own a business so I can be my own boss. Go wherever I want, fly wherever I want. Have my music known worldwide.
But 2020 vision, I'm gonna try to live the best life I can, man. You guys should too. Remember that.